Let me try that chicken. Whoa, that is simple.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Old Town PJ and we're going to try out Hokkien Mee.
This is not just any Hokkien Mee. This stall sells a halal version of it and we're excited to try it out.
It's actually a very rare find, so without further ado, let's get into the video.
Let's go!
This stall is located at a food court and it's at stall number 8. And this food court is actually next to a main road and it's a little bit downhill, so it's quite easy to miss. The stall is run by Abang Jamal, who is a Chinese Muslim, and he's been cooking this halal version of a Hokkien Mee for over 10 years. So this place is actually very popular among the locals in this area as well. So you can expect like a line or a crowd over here.
Our Hokkien Mee is ready. There's no dine-in right now, so we ordered takeaway and dine-in at the food court area. I'm excited to try this. It's my first time trying a halal version of Hokkien Mee. It looks and smells amazing. Can't wait to try it out. It looks nice and greasy, nicely coated with all the sauce. Look at how many prawns, chicken meat, vegetables. You can see these nice chicken cracklings. Right, let's dig in. Wow, it is nice and greasy. All the noodles are nicely coated with the grease and the black sauce. It is really delicious. Very nicely seasoned as well, the noodles. Let me try that chicken crisp. I think I didn't get that. Oh, that is simple. Crispy and soft at the same time. That's really good. You can definitely taste the chicken in there. It's a very chickeny Hokkien Mee. You can definitely taste the chicken skin and the chicken skin fats. It has a nice amount of wok hei as well. Really delicious.
Take a look at that crackling. That's a huge piece. It looks good. I'm so tempted to just try it on its own. The moment you bite into it, all the fats just melts and gets into your mouth. It's very oily in a good way. Oh, that's very interesting. The first thing I can taste is definitely the chicken oil in here. It makes the whole Hokkien Mee taste totally different. It's more chicken, I would say. It's like a twist to the usual Hokkien Mee that I'm used to. Very nice. Oh yeah, by the way, they also come with a chili sauce. I'm gonna just open up this packet and try with the chili sauce. I'm just gonna pour on the noodles. Alright, let's try this out. Oh, it's even better with the chili. It just gives the whole noodles a kick of spice. Oh, it's so good with the chili. We've also ordered another dish. This is called the Moonlight Teow, also known as the Teow bulan. This is my first time trying. I've actually heard that this dish is more famous in Ipoh. So usually from the pictures you see online, there's supposed to be a raw egg yolk in the middle of the whole Teow dish. Well, you don't see it here because this is also a takeaway. The whole egg has already sit into the noodles. So you wouldn't get that aesthetic where you have the middle egg yolk in the middle. So too bad for us, we couldn't really see that moonlight. Alright, so this Moonlight Teow basically looks like a fried teow with cabbage, some prawns in it. It looks a little bit like the Hokkien Mee but teow version. Oh, it's actually pretty good. To me, it tastes a little bit like watan hor. But yeah, I would say it's like a dried version of watan hor. Oh, it's really good. I think because of that raw egg that they put into the noodles, it gives it that smoothness, and it's I think that's why it tastes like watan hor a little bit. Yeah, but this is actually a very good dish. I would recommend this as well. This is very good. I don't even need the sauce to eat it. It's so good on its own.
It's so sad that the egg yolk is not there anymore. I just love how that raw egg coats the noodle. It's like a kway teow goreng but you crack your egg on it. It's really eggy, very smooth as well, really nice. And it's actually very addictive. Just can't stop eating it. We definitely recommend this place to our Muslim viewers and friends. It is really delicious. It tastes almost like the real thing. Really good.
I would say that overall this Hokkien Mee is a really good alternative to the usual Hokkien Mee. And actually this stall, they do serve a variety of other noodles as well, so you guys can come and check it out. And that's all we have for this video. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to us if you like to see more of our travel and food videos. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!